Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now.
Alright, guys, so I have these crosses that I want to try to put underneath our foundation before they pour the foundation. So, yeah, this is to bless our home. This is to bless our home.
Yes, Lord.
In the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Okay.
Solid
I'm
foundation.
trying to get out here and do this because it's been raining like crazy. That's the front door.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to get on my knees. Okay, that's over the threshold for when they come in, for when people come, you know, I just want blessings when you're going in and when you're going out. And then I can put one in the garage, and then I'll try to do, if I can make it back there, I'll try to make it back there, but
That's gonna be kind of difficult.
yeah, but I'll see what I can do if I can. Yeah, it don't look like I'm gonna be able to do this side in the back. I don't think, unless I go that way.
Unless we go through that house.
Turn. Yeah. All right, guys, we got back. Hopefully they don't take that out. Should I put it under the blue?
Put it under the blue.
Ugh, Mama's getting dirty. Dirty for the Lord. Okay, and then this is the back porch, huh?
Yeah, that's the back porch right there. How many more you have?
I did 4 from the front door, garage, in the back of the house, the corner of this house.
So we get that corner right there on the back porch, and then the whole house is covered.
Back to the side.
Sorry for the shakiness.
Nothing but blessings. That's the reason we're doing this, guys. We want blessings from the Lord. He's the one that did this for us. So we're giving him all the honor and all of the praise. And I'm so glad we decided to come out here today because this is exactly what I was looking for. So this is somewhat of an update on the house here. I'll take it. I can take it for a little bit.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is somewhat of an update that we have here on the house. They're getting ready to pour the foundation, and it's good that they got this part. The issue is that it's been raining so bad. Today I think was the first day that it did not rain.
Well, that
So-
means that they're going to put when they pour the concrete, it's just going to have to sit longer
Yeah.
because of the rain.
Well, you
But-
don't want it to warp it or do anything
Yeah,
crazy.
But then they're going to have to scrape it. That's when we come out here. We're going like, hey,
Yeah.
it's kind of warp right here. Can you fix that?
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we got it. This is exactly what I wanted, babe. This
Yeah.
is what I did with the house that I'm in now. is I actually did a makeshift cross. There was like, you know, like wood left over, so I did a makeshift cross. But this time we found, I remember I had ordered those, and they're gonna be in the foundation. Like when they pour it, it is gonna be a part of our house. So, yay! Are you excited, baby?
I'm more than excited. Well, we're gonna say a prayer because, yeah, I didn't think. And when I called you today, I was like, you know what? Let's just go by there and see.
Yeah.
And to see them doing this, oh yes, that has me very.
Okay. Well,
very
I'm dirty. I'm gonna have to take another shower. But, so we're gonna show y'all this house right here because, I don't have no nails on, but this is kind of what our house is going to look like. Actually, it's the exact same floor plan, except for there's a few things that are different. Let's see if we can make it back over here. Let's see without falling or anything like that. I got it, babe. I'm good. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Thank you, sweetums. Yeah, wow. It was good to see this. That, you know, to see more progress.
A lot of progress.
Yeah.
Because when they pour this, it's going to sit for about maybe a week or two.
Oh, really?
And then they're going to put the sides on. So,
Well, they said that the framing won't show up until July 20th, so we're gonna have a couple of more weeks before we get the framing going up. But
but to see we got foundation.
yeah,
At the beginning, our foundation before a month in.
yeah, it's great. So this house here next door to us is the exact same floor plan, except for they don't have the slab out, like the covered patio. We're gonna have a covered patio like you see right here, and that's what this portion is gonna be. So we'll kind of.
We got 9 foot.
Well, I'm gonna tell them that once we get in. So, like you see in their backyard, they don't have the covered patio, but we will. So that's one difference already. And then, as you go through, thank you, sir. As you go in the house, and it's gonna be flipped. That's another thing. Ours is different. It's gonna be flipped. So where right here, this is gonna be the kitchen. Our kitchen is gonna be on the other side. It's gonna be over here. But basically, this entire back portion, let me see if I can back up here so you can see what I'm talking about. No, you're good. This entire back portion here, guys, is going to be the living room, dining room, and kitchen. So the kitchen's gonna be here. You can see where they have the door kind of framed out. That'll be my pantry. The refrigerator will go here in this little area right next to the pantry. And then this wall is gonna be open. I think this is where I'm gonna put my buffets.
Yeah, both of those fit perfect.
Yeah, you know what? Why don't you go get that tape measure out the car? Cause you think we can? No, we're gonna go out there to. Okay. So anyway, I needed him to measure this living room because we're trying to think about some things. But anyway, so yeah, so we got our kitchen over here. Right here will be where our dining room table will go, and then all of this will be like the TV on this wall and all that kind of stuff. So. And all this is nothing but glass windows, so I'm gonna really love all the light that's gonna come into the house. Now, another difference, like Earl was stating earlier, our ceilings will be 9 feet tall. I believe these people have the 8 feet tall. And so that means that our doorways and everything are gonna be a little bit larger because of the 9 foot ceiling.
I didn't realize that storage goes back.
Oh,
We never
yeah.
walked through there, that it actually goes deep in and around the corner.
Right. So, yeah, I saw that. Unless they put up something there. I don't think they will, though.
No, they don't. So it actually,
It'll curve around a little bit.
that's what I can hide when you put me in trouble.
This will be the doghouse.
So when I don't do right, I don't get the couch, I get under the stairs.
Right.
The people under the stairs.
So this is storage, like Earl just said. Right up under the stairs, there'll be a door here. Right across from that door is our bedroom. So this is gonna be like a little hallway coming through. And then you have our bedroom. And yes, it's not that large. However, it's not as large as the bedroom that I have now, not by a long shot, but I have more house. I have almost double the square footage of my house that I'm in now, so I'm good with just this being like our bed is gonna be here up against this wall in between the two windows, you know, nightstand, dresser over here, and TV. And that's gonna be pretty much it, maybe a plant or two in here. And then this is,
Can't put them right there. You put some on the wall, you gotta make sure you're missing that.
Yeah. And then over here is the closet. And from what Earl says, it's gonna be all mine, but we'll see. I think he'll have a little section. I'm not gonna let him keep going upstairs to get dressed. That's ridiculous. And then this is the bathroom. Now, the difference in our bathroom and theirs is that we will not have a tub. We're gonna have a shower. Like all this will probably all this will be the shower. And I think this will be like a closet maybe?
Yeah.
Like a linen closet. And then this is another linen closet where I think he said I can put my purses and shoes. Like he's telling me what I need to do. And then this is the water closet here. Water closet there. And then this is where we'll have our double vanities. Right here. Yours is here, right? Yours is on this side?
Yeah.
No, yours is over there. I need the lighting right here when I look in the mirror, child. And about to plan with Earth. Okay. So then you come out of here, and then you have a flex room here, which is, we'll probably just have it a seating room. But you know what? And I'm not gonna do this, but you know, we could actually put the dining room table in here if we wanted to, and then have all that open space in there if we wanted to. But we're not gonna do that. That'll be for another time. Like if we wanna switch it up someday, or for the holidays when people come over, we can actually take some of this furniture out and, you know, make this like a, you know how we did for Thanksgiving and stuff, where we would have the tables in our living room for people to eat. We could actually do that if we wanted to just make more space so everybody's not crowded up on each other when we eat. And then, I'm trying to, okay, so then right over here is the laundry room, and then that's the garage. This is the powder room. So we have 1.5 bath downstairs. And then, I don't know if we can go upstairs. Okay. Well, upstairs there's 3 more bedrooms, and then there's a game room. I'm gonna just go up this flight. I'm not gonna go up any further and see if I can pan around and so y'all can see. Oh gosh, you're not gonna be able to tell too much, but up here is the game room. Right there. But yeah, this is the game room here. Then there's gonna be a room right over here in this corner. That's gonna be Earl's office. And like I said, everything's gonna be flipped, so it's kind of weird. And then there's gonna be a bathroom, a guest room, and then my office will be towards the front of the house. So yeah, that is it. You know what I'm happy about now that I see that we're gonna have this window to the back of the house and that window to the back of the house. And the reason why I say that is because I'm looking at these other houses back here and how they have just that one window on the back of their house, and it just looks weird. You see that? How they have just that one window on the back of the house?
Yeah.
It just looks weird. So I'm kind of glad we're gonna have at least 2. But yeah, guys, that is it. We're gonna go home. I cooked some honey butter chicken biscuits for dinner, and then we had home potatoes, so I can reheat those home potatoes from last night. It's kind of like a breakfast or brunch type of a dinner. So yeah, I'm glad we made it over here. I'm glad we came. Lord, I'm glad we came, because that's exactly what I wanted to do. All right, y'all. careful on these boards, babe. All right, guys. We will talk to you later. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.